welcome to AlphaCars in Yeovil, New England. My name is Grisha and I'm coming to you today from our Boxborough location. We're going to be taking a look at this absolutely amazing 2016 Triumph Bonneville T100 with a Cozi Sidecar. Yes, that is the name of it. It's literally called the Cozi Sidecar. I love the retro theme of this bike. I love these little grills, the yellow lenses, the yellow light. The nice little leather legacy bag right there. We have a canteen, made in Germany actually, and a fire extinguisher on this side. This bike it's amazing. That's all I can say. It runs beautiful. My God, does it runs smooth. We'll turn that on for you guys. Flip the key on. Kill switch. It's in neutral right now, so perfect. Oh, what is the clutch? There we go. That's a cold start. There we go. This bike has been customized with black powder-coated exhaust pipes, and they've also been heat wrapped or heat resistant wrapped. Going along with accessories, we have full custom triple trees. There we go. Those are those go along with the sidecar. We have the Triumph factory accessory. This is the long haul touring screen, as they call it. There's also this little fly screen up top. And this is in great condition. It has no scratches, no gouges, nothing like that. This is mainly because the bike only has 2,000 original miles. Yes, this is a 2016 Triumph T100 with only 2,000 original miles. Look at the paint on the tank, as well as the paint on the gas cap lid. Beautiful, beautiful paint. Little to no wear on the knee pads right here on the tank. On the engine casings and the shifter, as well as the foot peg, almost no wear. Again, it's only because the bike has 2,000 original miles. No corrosion anywhere on the bike, absolutely none. Bolt heads have no tool marks, nothing like that at all. This bike has been religiously serviced every year at a Triumph specialist. As I mentioned, it has the legacy bag right here. This is a Hepco and Becker accessory. We have a really nice Triumph, 2018 Triumph Bonneville, which is littered with Hepco and Becker accessories, lights, crash guards, whatnot. Beautiful looking bike. Both of these are amazing looking bikes. I love the all black scheme on this bike, black rims, black forks, black paint, black sidecar. And on top of that, as I mentioned, the exhaust has been powder coated black. Now that we've gone over the accessories, let's hear the bike run, or rev. 900cc power plant twin. Beautiful English engineering. It's a really, really smooth power plant. While we're here, might as well take it for a ride. This is a torquey enough engine, I don't really need to give it any throttle while taking off, just using the clutch. There we go. vibrations, noises, nothing like that. We're not going to go fast. There's people taking it on and off for lunch. Use the clutch. Got a tachometer, speedometer right there. Try shifting the second. Yep, there we go. This is a really torquey, really nice power plant. Has no problem just chugging along. We can use our really nice foot brake right here to come to a stop. Neutral, perfect. Let's take a look at the condition of nuts and bolts. Again, as I mentioned, almost no, or not almost no, there are no tool marks at all on anything. The zinc coatings from the factory or from the accessory manufacturer for the sidecar from Cozi, right there's a plaque. This factory zinc coating is there. That goes for all the bolts. We can flip our sidecar light on with the switch right there. And that gives us this light right here. A really nice vintage styling. As for tires, we have a Continental up front with about 90% life left. And we have we have a Metzler tire back here and a Metzler tire on the sidecar, both with about 80% life left in them. Chain tensioners, super nice. Obviously nothing stripped, nothing like that. The chrome / polished aluminum on the shock, beautiful. Nothing, no corrosion, no oxidation, nothing like that. Taking a look at the engine, let's take a look at the kit-in carbs. The carbs are in great condition, tuned to perfection. Again, as I mentioned, this engine and bike were serviced religiously. The cold start was without the choke on, and the choke is off. The second carb right here, super clean. The engine heads are really clean too, all the little fittings. Everything is super tight and smooth. Aluminum fins, super straight. Clutch cable works great. We got an adjustable lever up on the perch up top here. High beam, low beam. There it goes. We have turn signals. Everything clicks, everything's super smooth. Horn. Great seat. Like, it looks like the seat has never been sat on. There's absolutely no wear. Not on the sides, not on the little strap. No rips, no tears, nothing like that. Sidecar shock right there. Nylock washers. There's the wiring harness. Well, thanks for watching this video. It's an absolutely amazing bike, and if you have any questions about it, please don't hesitate to let us know or contact us through our website, www.alphacars.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, or if you don't mind subscribing, that would be amazing. We are approaching 15,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. But anyways, thank you very much for looking at this bike and looking at this video. Have a great day.